statistics has shown that most people with skin cancer, they always have it on the side of their face where they're driving, especially if you're not protected. You have no window insulation on your cars, right? So by using a high-end window film with a UVA UVB rejection of 99%, it allows you to be and stay protected from the ultraviolet rays in health reason, right? As well as it'll protect your interior from premature fading, protects it from cracking, protects your dashboard from melting. So right there we are protecting you as well as we are protecting your investment. And that's the pride that we take as regards to providing a quality window film brand while giving all our customers a clean and quality install. As the pride we take in our work is just the best.